Oh, god damn. Camera stand. What up, guys, and welcome back to JesusDrawz. Today's video, decided I would just do one of those rambling and talking videos, but specifically showing you how I would go about drawing some cartoon monsters. Now I have no idea what I'm going to draw. I'm just kind of go with it. We'll just aim for 3, but we never really know. I always kind of just ramble on and draw more. But when I start characters off, especially, well, you know, just characters in general, I always start with the eyes, and then I get an idea of what it's going to look like. This one, I just think I'm going to do some eyeball type thing. What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Alright. Is this gonna be like a floating ball thing with eyes? Kind of like Wheezing from Pokemon, maybe. I don't know, it'll make more sense as it comes to life, I guess. Draw little wrinkles on the sides of the eyes. And we'll draw some little lines for weird details. You know, so like I said, I don't really know what I'm drawing. This one kind of looks like shit. I guess we'll make the next one a little bit cooler. We'll make this one a Cyclops. Since we made one with a ton of eyes, this one will have one eye. And then we'll make one with no eyes. This one's angry. He's not pleased with the other monster, so gotta make up for it. Or make it have horns. He's gonna have like hair, ponytail or whatever. It's gonna be fire. Freaking fire, bro. And we'll make his mouth, he'll be, I don't really know, let's see, he'll be grinning and sinning. So I kind of just keep going and keep creating lines, and you know, the character kind of comes to life in itself as the drawing continues. We got so far. I'm thinking of making him like a buff ass Cyclops. Like, he ain't fucking around. He's straight up tatted, bro. I don't know what he'll be tatted with, but he'll be tatted. He's just kind of one of those monsters that's like super buff and can pick anything up. We'll give him fucking nipple rings because he's hardcore, bro. Honestly, I would never get fucking nipple rings. That shit would fucking hurt. Alright, so, okay. So here's where a little bit of anatomy needs to come into play, which is not something that I'm very good at. I'm still learning, but we'll see what we can do. He's gonna have shorts. Shorts. He's like very small. He's small but buff. He's like a buff midget. I'm just trying to add some little details, trying to decide what else how this character be built. He'll have like freaking fat ass skater shoes. We'll fix that shoe up in a bit. That looks good. Well, you can't even see the fucking shoe, god damn it. Sorry about that, peoples. So we're gonna draw a hand. Let's see, what should he be holding? He should be holding some weights. Cause he works out, how else would he get his massive midget biceps? They look like very light weights, but oh well. They got spikes because he's a monster, and if you fuck with him, he'll hit you and beat you with his freaking weights. Look at him, hair yarns for the ladies. Alright, so there's monster number 2. I guess that one was a little better than the first one. Let's see, I think we'll actually have room for 2 more, not just 1 more. Right here, let's see, what can we draw over here? What type of monster should we do? Let's do like, oh, we said we are gonna do one with no eyes. Okay, we can do that. A monster with no eyes. That's gonna be interesting. I don't really know what I'm drawing. Kind of looks like some weird jellyfish. That's probably what it's gonna be. We'll give him some teeth. He has no eyes, but it's got teeth. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna speed up the inking and the coloring part, so you can see what kind of creations we came up with. Really, the thing here to take away is that you really want to just experiment, go with it, and see where it goes. Sometimes it's cool to not have a plan when you draw stuff. You kind of just go with it and you'll think of things, and then you can use those things to build upon future ideas. Like I'll draw another jellyfish monster, but it'll probably be better than this one. These are pretty much just like I don't know, like sketches of future ideas. Alright, let's go down to here. We'll draw some weird like ogre thing. Quite a big nose. And he is not amused. You see that, right? Yeah. Get it better in focus. Let's see, we'll give him, he's gonna be a cool monster. He's gonna have a hat. Oh shit, he's probably not gonna fit in the page. We'll make it work. He's just gonna have a really small body. And the thing I like about using pencil when I start these things is that you can go back and erase things. I just like to use it to get the general idea for all these little sketches, and then I'll ink it if I think it's worthy of being inked, which a lot of the times I do. Let's see, he'll be holding a drink, some sort of drink, I don't know what. He's a monster, so he should be drinking coffee. He's straight chilling. Shit, his shoes might not fit on the page. God damn it, man. But I guess we'll fit what we can. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It looks good. It look better. These will look better once they're inked in. I don't even have final adjustments. So I'm really disappointed in this one. This one didn't look too good. I mean, I could go back and erase it, but I don't really want to. I want to add a couple more things. We'll make it like it has spikes and shit. Just make it a little cooler. And we'll make it red, so it's kind of like monster from hell. I don't know, something cool. We'll think of something. You kind of go along the way you'll figure out what works and what might not work for each character. But that's just me. And for the hell of it, we'll just draw another one right here. We'll draw some weird French fry monster thing. It's got a huge mouth to devour its victims. It's got a huge freaking tongue. And draw little lines to show movement. And it'll have X eyes. Kind of like SpongeBob. It's a sponge or something, I'm not sure. It could be like SpongeBob, it could be like an evil sponge. So I guess we gotta draw him pants and shit. No, this one. We'll just give him some cool shoes. With high socks. Oh yeah. We're gonna have scrawny little arms. He's gonna be rock on hand gesture. There he is, another weird monster. I think that's good. Now let's just ink these bad boys in real quick and see how they come up. Alright, I'm just gonna roll the music for a bit. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. But I mean, really, I just inked this in and added a little bit more detail to the drawings and refined them a little bit more. Then I just colored them in, and that's basically it. But enjoy the tunes while the drawing is happening, and I'll get back to you at the end. Wrapping it up here, folks. So this is my approach to coming up with cartoon monsters. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully this gives you ideas or inspiration to draw cartoon monsters of your own or anything. But which one of the monsters did you like the best? My personal favorite will probably have to be the, I don't know, it's tied between the evil SpongeBob and the pink ogre with the coffee. I think those are pretty cool. I don't know, one of those two. My least favorite was the eyeballs, and the other two are just like in the middle. But let me know which ones you like down in the comment section below. What other things would you like to see me draw? What other things would you like to see me attempt to draw? And until next time, keep creating, spread love, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace.